Ma'am, good evening everyone. Life is full of challenges. At some point, we all face moments when things feel difficult, overwhelming, or unfair. In those moments, giving up can seems like the easiest option, but those are the moments that define who we are. Never give up does not mean that life will always be easy. It means choosing to keep going even when progress feels slow. Even we fail and even we doubt ourselves. Every setback is not the end. It it is a lesson that prepares us for what comes next. Many successful people failed before they succeed. They are rejected, doubted, and told they were not good enough. When made the difference was not talent or luck but persistence. They choose to keep trying when other quits. Never giving up also means believing in yourself when no one else does. It it means standing back after you fall and reminding yourself why you started in the first place. Strength is not about never failing. It's about refusing to stay down. So when life challenges you, remember this. Giving giving up ends the story, but perseverance keep it alive. Keep pushing forward, keep learning, and keep believing because success belongs to those who never give up. Thank you.